Guys, let me tell you, maanta waxaan idin hayaa vlog yar oo caata ah. Meeshan aan cunto ka dalbanaynaa waa 11 p.m. habeen. Maxay weydiinin waay, okay? Maanta dhan biisaan ahayn. Habeen waxaan rabnaa restaurant aadno. Restaurantadana way xidhnaayeen. This place don't never fail. It's called the Hill Food Co. Literally, it's an amazing. It has so many different restaurants within it. And if it's late at night in St. Louis, this is the place to go to. And I'm telling you, it's 10 out of 10. I love it. You get whatever you want to eat. Whatever you feel like it, that's what you're going to get out of it, okay? You want seafood? You got seafood. You got Indian food? You got Indian food. You got Chinese food? You got Chinese food. You got any other American food? You got American food. It do not matter, okay? This is me eating in the middle of the night. I couldn't wait because the kids wanted to get sweets. And I took them to Drew's afterwards. And as they were ordering their ice creams and stuff, I'm eating in the car. I said, I give up. So I ordered from Indian restaurant within that place. And literally, this was a garlic bread. Oh my God. What they call garlic naan? Yeah, that's what it was. I'm calling garlic bread. Anyway. But yeah, I enjoyed my food, guys. It was an amazing. I ordered the Indian food. 10 out of 10. And my kids each order whatever they wanted to order. My daughter, she's vegetarian. She did order vegetarian Indian food. But yeah, it was an amazing day, guys. We had fun, a blast. The kids were enjoying. I'm telling you, the next day when I went back to work, I was so like happy and tired at the same time, you know what I mean, because it was in the middle of the day. This is me trying the ice creams that they got. I did not order ice cream at all because I didn't want it to eat sweet that late, but I did test theirs and it was an amazing. Of course, the Drew's ice cream is the best ice cream in my opinion, guys. Okay, if you're not in St. Louis, I'm sorry, you're missing it out. Love you guys.